Hey, what's up guys? And in this video, we gonna see a problem from Leetcode which is named add digits. So let's get into it. Before that, this is Praveen. I'm doing tech and coding stuff in this channel. If you are new to this channel, remember to subscribe and click that bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that you'll never miss any of my updates. And let's get into the video. So this is a problem which is completely related to math. The solution is completely related to math, but we can use like a loop or recursive solutions too for this problem. So let me explain the description here, which is we are given a non-negative integer called num, and we have to repeatedly add all its digits until the result has only one digit. So we can see here, which is 38, the input, and we have to add these digits which will give 11 initially, and since it is not a single digit we have to add it again, so we get 2 as a result. Okay, this is the problem. So let's solve it. If we use the loop, we can easily do it by giving a condition such like we have a single digit at last. So we can use it easily using loop or recursive solution. But the challenge is without using any loop or recursion, and we have to produce the result in constant time. So in order to do that, we have a math solution, like we have a math trick. So let's do it. So first we have two condition, like we have to check if the number is divisible, like divisible by 9 or not, and we have another case which is not divisible by 9. Sorry about that. Okay, so we are having these two conditions, and we have a base case too. So let me fill the base case first. So we have a base case like if the number is equal to 0, then we can return just 0. Yeah, after that let me comment out this. Yeah, so we are having a condition, first condition, like number is divisible by 9 or not. So in order to check that, if number modulo 9 equal to 0, then the number must be divisible by 9. So we can just return 9 as the answer. Okay, so we can check it. If the number is divisible by 9, then we can return the 9 as the answer, because if we add a number like that, it may get to a 9 lastly. So we can check it by giving an example like 81. So 81 is divisible by 9, right? So if we add it together, we get 9 at final as a final answer. So let's take 63 too. So 63, if we add it together, we get 9. Okay, so we can do with any bigger number, like any number. We can finally we will get 9 as the answer for this problem. So this is the condition, and this is the solution for that condition. So we return 9, and else if it's not divisible by 9, we can return the remainder after dividing it by 9. We have to return the remainder. So we can take 64, which is not divisible by 9, but if we divide it by 9, we get 1. Okay, 1 as a solution. So it is the answer. Okay, let's check. So 64, if we add it together, we get 10 first. Okay, after that we get since it is not a single digit, we can add it again, we get 1. So without the middle steps, we can directly jump from start to end with these two conditions. Okay, for this particular problem. Okay, this is what's a math trick is. So with using this, we can produce the result in constant time. So yeah, let's run it and check the code. Yeah, it passed the test cases, and let me submit the code to check all the test cases. Yeah, it passed all the test cases. So this was a famous problem that was asked in many coding interviews. Even I was in Cognizant interview. I was asked this question. So please remember to use that math trick to produce the result in constant time. So the interviewer will get impressed and get you a job. So we can do it with this math trick. So thanks for watching, and if you have any suggestions, let me know in comments. And for more videos, you can check out my channel page, like data structures problems I am making, so you can check it out. And the code you see in the screen will be in my GitHub page. A link for that will be in my description. Check it out. So thank you.